What is up, y'all? I'm Benjamin Outdoors, and this video is a doozy. So me and some buddies were riding in Auburn, Alabama back when I lived there, and my buddy on an S1000 actually made a turn and actually dropped the bike, crashed, whatever you want to call it. It was actually, you know, where they typically they dug out asphalt to put like a new pipeline or some type of line in. And so there's like gravel in between two pieces of asphalt. He trusted his technology a little bit too much, and he fell, creating thousands of dollars of damage that the insurance paid him to repair the bike. It was crazy. Y'all enjoy the video.
Oh shit.
Yeah, right. Damn. I honestly like went through that trusting. I like thought about it and I was like trying to trust my touch control.
Yeah, but you got to keep in mind, man, all the loose gravel right though they're doing that construction there.
Well, it was a whole different level. Like it wasn't even just gravel.
Loose gravel caught it. When you take that turn right there, they got the road scraped out.
Yeah, it's scraped out, so it's
you got all that dirt right up against that.
Yeah.
It makes it hard to judge at night.
Yeah.
No, I mean, like, I saw it. I just tried to trust it and just.
So that's actually gonna be it for this video. I'll post more police interactions, wrecks, stuff like that as they happen. So y'all stay tuned and take it easy.